Does
property.
investor can do cash out refinance or just only homeowners?
We can do cash out refinance for investors. So DSCR, bank statement loans, like we get super creative. And that's why I said, for everybody that's focused on interest rate right now, I think what people should be focusing on is the right loan solution, how to structure the deal the best way, whether we put it in a person's name or a company name.
What's the rates on the non-conservative, the non-conventional loans like DSCR? What is it? The bank statement.
Statements.
What is the average rates?
Obviously, rates are so dependent on down payment, credit score. Even if you're going to put the property in a business name, there still has to be a guarantor on the loan, and we use that guarantor's social security number and credit score.
So it's like a
to
personal
price it.
guarantee, pretty much.
Yeah, basically personal guarantee. But the rates right now, as we said, they're fluctuating in between the 6s and 7s.